to Gracefilledness. I am Dre. Thank you so much for stopping by. And this is a space where I share my home decor tours, home decor hauls, DIYs, motherhood, and lifestyle videos. So glad you are here. I am super excited about today's video. Today is Vlogmas Day 1. I'm doing 12 days of Vlogmas, and I'm going to be sharing with you all home decor tour types of videos for the next 12 days. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Christmas kitchen home decor tour. I'm going to clean and decorate and show you how I decorate my small kitchen on a budget, and I wanted to keep it really minimalistic. So the theme I'm going for this year is modern farmhouse. I definitely pare down a lot of stuff. Like this video if you are on the struggle bus with that. That's kind of the theme I went with this year, and you'll see that throughout my home. I just wanted it to be cozy. It's been crazy in my life, and I just needed simplicity. So let's call it simplicity style, because that's what I'm gravitating towards, and that's what I love. So let's get on with this Christmas kitchen farmhouse tour. So I wanted to start out with a clean slate. I pretty much cleaned my whole kitchen, just wiped down the counters and the cabinets, and yeah, and also the kitchen bar. So you'll only see me cleaning the kitchen bar. I forgot to record the other part. But here I'm using the Norwex microfiber cloth. It has some special ingredients in it, and you don't need any cleaning supplies. Did you see that video bomber walk by twice? So it's amazing. It cleans. It's 100% disinfectant. I love it. I use it for everything in my kitchen. So this is everything I'm going to be using in my kitchen today, and mostly everything I've gotten from Hobby Lobby. The Target dollar spot, like the Merry Christmas sign, is from Hobby Lobby. The little calendar is from Target dollar spot, and the wreaths and a lot of the picks are from Walmart. Those buckets I actually got at RC Willey, and yeah, a lot of those wreaths are Target dollar spot, and a lot of those little items there are also Target dollar spot, and everything else I either thrifted and so on. And this is the little Christmasville scene I didn't want to film it because it took so long, but they're just at the church watching all the carolers. It's so cute. So yeah, this is everything that I'm going to use today. Very simplistic, very modern farmhouse, and kept it to the red, green, and white theme. And here I am just putting everything together. So here's what the kitchen bar looks like. I just created this sweet little simple vignette with just a little calendar and a thrifted little house with some little trees, and I just love it. It's just so simple, and I love the little Merry Christmas sign at the top. Keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite holiday. And then next is my little Christmas village. I like to say that they're downtown listening to the Christmas Carol program, and everyone's just having a really good time in the wintry wonderland. And I just love this little scene. I've been collecting these as I find them at thrift stores or yard sales, and some of those little trucks are ornaments. And yeah, it's just such a sweet little vignette. My little one loves to sit there and look at it, and she just totally gets a kick out of it. And at night we like to just turn on the little lights, and the church plays music, and it's just so sweet to look at. I just love it. I wish I could go there. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna area. I just kept it really simple. I need to change out that little pumpkin butter dish. I haven't found a Christmas one yet, but I just kept it really simple. Just added the wreath and this little spoon rest that says "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." That's last year from the Target dollar spot with a salt and pepper shaker. I believe I got it from Cracker Barrel, and it's just a really sweet little area when I'm cooking. The wreath is just so cute, and with the little Merry Christmas sign, it just completes the whole look here. And I usually just hang some sort of tea towel here, which I need a new one. That one just is not jiving with me, but here's just another look at my sweet little kitchen. If I spend it with you, just you and nobody. And I just love this little red truck drying mat. I got this from Grocery Outlet, where I usually get all my groceries for like $3. It's the sweetest thing ever. And I also have this candle warmer going. I just have like 2 different types of scents, and I think right now I'm warming a Thanksgiving one that I got from Walmart. Not that one, but I think this is what's going on right now with Thankful Harvest. I need to switch that up and get a Christmas one. And another place that I like to hang tea towels or hand towels is on right underneath my sink, and this one I got from Walmart last year for So like I said, I kept it really simple up here. Usually every year I just cram things up there and it looks so cluttered, but this year I just went simplistic. I based everything off of that Merry Christmas sign because it's just simply Christmas, and I love everything up there. That Gavina's bread box I got from Cracker Barrel last year on clearance, and those deer antlers, my sister gifted me those, and the olive buckets I got from RC Lily, I believe last year or the year before that, and all the picks are from various places like Walmart, Target dollar spot, Joann's and Michael's maybe. And you guys, can we just take a moment to enjoy this Merry Christmas sign that I got at Hobby Lobby for 50% off? Because I am obsessed with it, and I love how the whole cabinet came about, or on top of the cabinet. I just am loving it this year, and it just brings so much joy to me in all of its simplicity. And right here on the wall next to the sliding door, I just have this little wire basket, 3 little sections, and I have 2 Christmas trees in there with some rolling pins. And then right up above it, I have the word home out of galvanized letters and just a makeshift little wreath for the O. So I wanted to switch out this rug that I've had there forever that leads out to our back, and I just cleaned the area really quick and switched it out with a rug that I got from Kohl's last year. It's the happiest season of all. I love it, so cute.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, spend my time.
And after all that work, I needed some coffee, some peppermint mocha, and vanilla creamer. It's so yummy. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know in the comment section below what was your favorite item out of this kitchen tour. I'd have to say the Merry Christmas sign. That was just my favorite. It just brought me joy. It was just, it's so beautiful and so simple. I just love it. Also, you guys, if you are not following me on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me. The little handle here, that is where I am on the most, and also on Facebook. If you're on Facebook, let me know. Leave me a comment below. I'll also have my handle below as well, and right here. I would love to let's be social. let's be social friends on all the other platforms where I hang out the most, and I would love for you to join me there. Also, if you have not subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that red bell below and the gray notification bell, and be sure to click on all so you won't miss any of my Vlogmas videos, my 12 days of Vlogmas. I'm super excited. I wanted to do Vlogmas this year, but unfortunately we all got sick after Thanksgiving with the flu. It hit my whole home except for one, and so I couldn't do it. But I heard of 12 days of Vlogmas and I thought, yes, that is doable. So I wanted to share all my Christmas videos with you, like my Christmas kitchen decor tour, my Christmas like hutch, tier trays, front porch, living room, master bedroom, because I did decorate just a little bit in here because I just wanted to bring that warmth and just Christmas cheer all around. And so if you guys are interested in that, and then the end will end off with my 2019 Christmas home decor. I'm super excited about that. Like I said, I kept it really simple this year and just really simplistic, and just it brought me so much joy. How many times can I say joy? All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit this like button if you enjoy these types of videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the bell below, and also subscribe on my Instagram and Facebook and Pinterest if you're interested, so you can kind of get an idea of where I get all my inspiration from. Mostly it's Pinterest. I love that place. And yeah, share this video. If you have a friend who you think might like this video, definitely go share this video with them. All right, you guys, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.